Tailor Brand's Social Media Kit Tutorial. If you want to instantly brand your business online, here's how to use the Tailor Brand's Social Media Kit in under a minute. After creating your logo, go to your Tailor Brand's dashboard. Click on Brand Book or Social Media Kit from the side menu. Tailor Brands automatically generates ready-to-use profile images, cover photos, and post templates for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. Choose a platform, click Download to save each image set. You can also preview how your brand's asset will look on each platform. If you want to tweak a logo size or background color, use the logo editor before downloading. With Tailor Brand's social media kit, you'll save hours of design work and launch your brand with confidence. Download, upload, and done. So that's it.